Hi, this is Harlow Russell. I'm the owner of Awesome 3D Cards in Austin, Texas. Make your customers smile. This week's client card, a 20th anniversary for this company called Amtrade. They manufacture a lot of things around the world. In particular, they manufacture industrial smokehouses. So for their 20th anniversary and also to support their sales teams around the world, we created this card. Printed their logo on the front with a big 20, and inside is in fact one of their industrial smokehouses. We specialize in buildings and vehicles. This is a very interesting building, you could say. We even added other elements that are around the smokehouse. A thank you for supporting them and a QR code call to action to find out more about what they're doing. This is what we created for Amtrade's 20th anniversary for their sales teams. So this year, what can we do for your company or organization?